Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can become a judge and how you can make announcements on Dress to Impress Freeplay. So we're just going to go to this changing room area. You're going to go forward, go to the left, and you're going to walk here, and you're going to sit. To make an announcement, you're just going to bring this down, and you're going to type the announcement. Hello, and then press announce. I don't know where it is on the phone, but it's here on PC, and here's how you can rate outfits. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and bye.